Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. Today we will learn EVS. What we will learn? Which subject we will learn? We will learn EVS subject. Okay. Which subject we will learn? EVS. In which class you are? LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay, we have learned about vegetable, fruits, sense organs, good habits. We have learned all these things. Yes, we have learned about fruits, vegetables. Okay, do you know, did you remember the name of fruits? Did you remember the name of fruits? Yes or not? Yes. Okay, tell me the name of fruits. Mango, banana. Yes, mango, banana, grapes. Then mango, banana, grapes. Then another, or just tell me the name of fruits. Did you remember na? Pineapple, apple, pumpkin. Sorry, pumpkin is not there. Okay, we have learned the name of fruits and vegetables. Okay, tell me the name of some vegetables. Ladyfinger, onion, potato, cauliflower, carrot, capsicum. Yes, we have learned brinjal. Okay, we have learned name of fruits and vegetables. And we have learned the name of flower also. Did you remember some name of flowers? Tell me name of some flowers. Rose, jasmine, lily, sunflower, lotus, marigold. Very good. You are so good children that you are remembering all the name of fruits. Okay. Okay. Did you like grapes? Did you like grapes? Like? Okay. Very good. Okay. Today we will do activity. Finger activity. What is this? This is your finger. Okay. Today we will do finger activity. And we will make grapes. A bunch of grapes. Okay. A bunch of grapes we will make on this paper. You have to take a plain paper. Okay. A plain paper, watercolor and a brush. Okay. 3 things are required. Today what we will make? Tell me what we will make? We will make grapes. What we will make? Grapes. Okay. What we will make? Grapes. With the help of finger. With the help of finger we will make grapes. Okay. Okay. Tell me the color of grapes. Do you know what is the color of grapes? It is white, yellow, pink, black, green. Yes, green. So what we will do today, we will make grapes with the help of fingers. With the help of fingers. Okay. Now look here. What you have to do? You have to take the brush and then you have to do like this. You have to color on your finger. What you have to do? You have to color on your finger. Okay, what you have to do? Color on your finger, and then you have to keep this paper and you have to put your finger like this. Okay, put your finger like this again. If not getting the color, you have to again color your finger, and one by one you have to put the dot. What you have to do? You have to make like this. Okay. What you have to do? You have to, with the help of brush, you have to color your finger. What you have to do with the help of brush, you have to color your finger, then you have to paste here, okay, like this. What you have to do? You have to paste on the paper after one another, okay. One by one you have to paste on the paper, okay, down and down. You have to take help of your parents, okay. What you have to do? You have to take help of your parents, and you have to just paste like this after one another, okay. After one another you have to paste. Okay, what you have to do? You have to paste one another after one another, so that it look like a bunch of grapes. How did it look like? It looked like a bunch of grapes. Look here how I am doing. You have to paste like this. What you have to do? Okay, look here. After, under, below, down and down, you have to paste this like that. Okay. Okay, like this. What is the color of grapes? What is the color of grapes? Green. What is the color of grapes? Green. Yes, with the help of finger, you have to paste on the paper. What you have to do? You have to paste on the paper after one another, okay, after one another, below, down and down. You have to paste it down and down, okay. With the help of parents, you have to do it, okay, and you have to do in your EVS notebook. Where you have to do? You have to do in EVS notebook, okay, and upside you have to write finger painting and grapes. What you will write? Finger painting. What you will write? Finger painting and the name of the fruit. What you will write? Finger painting and name of the fruit. What is the name of the fruit? The name of fruit is grapes. The name of fruit is grapes. Look here. It's looking like grapes. It's looking like grapes now. It's looking like grapes now. Yes, it's looking like a grapes. Okay. So you have to color your finger like this. With the help of brush, you have to color your finger and paste it on the paper. Okay, and paste on the paper, and you have to paste according line to line. First line, then second line, then third line, fourth line. According this you have to paste in the paper, and after that at the end you have to paste one of the, okay, at the end it will remain one. At the end it will remain only one grapes. Okay, it is a bunch of grapes. What is? It is a bunch of grapes. Okay, G for grapes now. What you make G for? Grapes. Did you like grapes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what is the taste of grape? Sour. What is the taste of grape? Sometimes it is sour, sometimes it is sweet. Okay. And sometimes both. It is sour also and sweet also. Look here, like this. Like this you have to make. What you have to do? Like this you have to make a bunch of grapes. Okay. Then after that you have to draw lines. Look here. Look here. Look here. Okay, like this you have to draw this, and upside you have to write finger painting. What you will write? Finger painting. What we have done? We have done finger painting. With help of our finger we have made grapes. With the help of our finger we have made grapes. Okay, what we have made? We have made grapes, a bunch of grapes. What we have made? A bunch of grapes. Look here. Look here. It is looking so good now. What? With the help of finger, we have paste here, and we have made a bunch of grapes, and then after that we have connected all these grapes together, and we have make one. Okay, and then you have to, and then after that, after doing this activity you have to paste on your EVS notebook. Okay, where you have to, what you have to do, you have to, with the help of parents, you have to make this and paste in your EVS notebook, and you have to write heading also, finger painting. What you have to write? Finger painting. And which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Okay. What is the color of grapes? Green. What is the color of grapes? Green. G for grapes. G for grapes. What it is? G for grapes. Okay. How to make this? Have you understand? What you have to, with the help of finger, you have to make this grapes. Okay, with the help of fingers. Okay, understand? Yes, I think understand. And you enjoy this activity? You enjoy this activity? Green grapes, grapes, green grapes, 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 green grapes. It is green in color. It is green in color. It is sour in taste. Green, 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 green grapes. Green, 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 green grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. It is green in color. It is green in color. G for grapes. G for grapes. Okay. What is this? This is grapes, and you have to, with the help of finger, you have to do this finger painting. Okay. With the help of finger, you have to do this painting. With the help of finger. What we have done? With the help of finger, we have made a bunch of grapes. Okay. Understand? Did you enjoy? Okay. Now let us revise some names of fruit. Names of fruits. Okay. Tell me the names of fruit. You tell me. Mango. Mango. Have you seen a mango? It is yellow in color. Yes. And it's coming. It is seasonal food. It's coming summer season. We eat mango in summer season. Apple. Apple. A for apple. Apple is red in color. Apple is red in color. Then watermelon. 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 Okay. Watermelon. Have you seen it? It is green from outside and red inside. Okay. Then which fruit? Banana. B for banana. B for banana. Do you like to eat banana? Yes, it is yellow in color. Banana. B for banana. And what we have done today? What is this? This is finger painting. What is this? This is finger painting. With the help of finger, what we have made? We have made grapes. With the help of finger, we have made grapes. Okay. Then next, did you remember any fruit? Strawberry, lychee, pineapple. So many fruits are there. Kiwi. Okay. Then next, vegetables name. What? Vegetables name. We have learned vegetables name also. Yes. Tell me. Potato, onion, brinjal, cauliflower, carrot, capsicum, ladyfinger, pumpkin. There are so many vegetables. Spinach. Okay. When we eat this vegetable, when we eat fruits and vegetable, we become healthy. What we become? Healthy. Okay. Then we have learned names of flowers. Rose, lily, jasmine, sunflower. Okay. Then marigold, lotus. There are so many flowers. Daisy, tulip. There are so many flowers. Okay. Okay. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. So you have to do this activity at your home. Where you have to do this activity? At your home. Okay, with help of your parents. With help of your parents, you have to do this activity at your home, and you have to paste this in your notebook, in EVS notebook, and send the to and send the picture to me. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day.